How to sell crypto on Gemini. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap on the middle button with two arrows to access the trading menu. From the options, select Sell. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other crypto in your Gemini wallet. You can also use the search bar to find your crypto quickly. Enter the amount you want to sell in either the cryptocurrency or your fiat currency equivalent. Check the current market price and any applicable fees carefully before proceeding. Select your destination account such as your Gemini Fiat wallet or a linked bank account. Tap Preview Sell to review your order. Make sure all details including the amount, price and destination are correct. Once you are ready, tap Sell Now to complete the transaction. The sold funds will be credited to your selected account immediately. Now you know how to sell crypto on Gemini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.